So let's create a Gmail credential. How to do that? I'm going to do a simple workflow, test it manually, and we are going to say it's okay. Let's create a Gmail node. It's too small. Let me send a message. So I already have a few credentials over here. This is my personal local installed n8n instance for YouTube now. So if you see now, I don't get that button of sign in with Google, and there are a few minor differences between Cloud, n8n Cloud, and the personal one, which is self-hosted. So that's why. So how do we do this? How do we create a credential, right? So let's open the docs. Just follow the docs, you should be fine. Over here, first we need is a Google Cloud account. Then log into the Gmail account that you want to create the Google Cloud account, get started, and then go to the console. So once you're at the console, come over here, create a new project. I'm going to my n8n. You can name it whatever you want. This project will be creating. I created a bunch of projects earlier. So select the project. Then over here, API and services, go to credentials. Create credentials, auth client ID. First thing that we will need to do is configure the consent screen. Configure the consent screen, get started. Name is my n8n app. Support email is the one which you want to use. External, next, same thing again. Next, I agree, continue, create. Once this is created, now we can create the auth client. Over here, let's create the web application. It doesn't matter what you name, the only thing which you need is to add the URI. Where will you get this URI? Go back to your YouTube thing, click to copy. Once you copy this, go back, paste it, create. Voila. Once you have created this is your client ID, this is your secret. So take that client ID, put it over here. Take that client secret, put it over here. Alright, save. Now we do need to do one more step, but before that, you can download the JSON if you want. However, you need to come over here. You need to search for Gmail. Once you get the Gmail API, you have to enable it, because without enabling it, you'll not be able to do anything. You'll get an error. So we got the credentials down, we got the consent screen down. And I think that's what is needed, honestly. Let's go back. We'll see if we face any issues. So now you'll get the screen, the same screen which we got with the cloud account. Access denied. So you're a developer, we are getting an access denied account. Okay, so let's go back. Credentials, consent screen. No, create a test user. Let's save, publish the app, confirm. Now let's see what happens. Alright, now with that done, we can advance. It is just saying that this is unsafe, don't worry about it. Select all, and this is the screen which you got. So when you are using a self-hosted version, You have to do a little bit more configuration. You have to be a little bit more technical. They have made it easy for the cloud and the enterprise accounts, right? Choice is yours. I don't do the Gmail every day, so sometimes I forget the steps. However, as long as you see the screen, we are good.